Every day, you imagine walking into your garage where your car gleams under the sun. You grab a cloth, gently wipe the hood, slide into the driver's seat, and feel your heart race. And just like that, you're cruising down the road, enjoying every mile. You dream of how it will be your loyal companion for years, always ready for the next adventure. But wait, is everything really as perfect as you imagine? Could your first car end up being a disappointment? It might not be what you expect, and that perfect image could crumble fast. Your first car isn't just a purchase, it's a significant decision that could bring you joy or quickly turn into a headache if you're not careful. Ask yourself, are you really ready for the reality that your dream car could become a nightmare if you overlook a few crucial factors? Today, we'll share how to avoid common mistakes so your first car becomes the reliable friend you've always wanted, instead of a letdown. 1. Don't buy a car with high mileage. It's better to go for a new, lower-class model. Why is this important? When you're buying a used car with over 100 km's, 160 kms of kilometers on the odometer, be ready for possible future problems. Cars with such mileage can soon require expensive repairs, especially on major parts like the engine, transmission, or suspension. Instead of purchasing an old car with a high mileage, it's better to go for a newer, but smaller and more affordable model. This way, you avoid the hassle of costly repairs and enjoy a more reliable vehicle. Example, instead of buying a used Honda Accord with a high mileage, consider getting a Honda Civic. You'll pay a little less, but you'll get a car in better condition with fewer potential issues. 2. Which cars should you consider for your first vehicle? Let's talk about brands and models that are great for first-time buyers. Reliability, low maintenance costs, and positive reviews from owners are key factors to consider. Here are some well-known options. For the US, Honda Civic, 2009 to 2015, a reliable and fuel-efficient compact car that's great for any new driver. Toyota Corolla, 2010 to 2015, known for its durability and low maintenance costs. This car lasts for years with minimal issues. Mazda 3, 2010 to 2015, a sporty model that's fun to drive, economical, and has a great reputation. Hyundai Elantra, 2013 to 2018, offers a great balance of price, quality, and fuel efficiency. For other countries, in Europe, Volkswagen Polo or Ford Fiesta, reliable, fuel-efficient, and easy to maintain. 3. How to check a used car before buying. What do you need to know? Before you buy a car, you need to thoroughly inspect it to avoid unpleasant surprises. Here's a step-by-step guide to checking a used vehicle. Check the car's history. If you're in the US, use services like Carfax or AutoCheck to get detailed reports on the car's past, accidents, mileage, and more. For other countries, you can use services that check a vehicle's VIN number. The car's history is your first step in understanding its condition. Take the car for a test drive. Nothing beats actually driving the car to feel how it runs. Listen for unusual sounds. Check the transmission, brakes, and suspension. It's important to make sure everything works smoothly. Inspect the body and condition of the car. Look for rust, dents, or signs of repainting. These could indicate past accidents. A car that's been repainted or has visible damage might be hiding bigger problems. Check the tires and suspension. Tires should be evenly worn. Avoid cars with worn-out tires, as this could indicate poor maintenance. Also, inspect the suspension. If you notice any odd noises while driving, it could signal a problem that will cost money to repair. 4. What to do if you're unsure. If you're uncertain about your choice, it's always a good idea to bring in a mechanic for an inspection. Have a professional look at the car on a lift to check its engine, transmission, and other key systems. A mechanic can spot potential issues that you might miss during a simple test drive. 5. How to negotiate the price. Don't be afraid to haggle. Sellers often list cars at a higher price, especially when they know there's demand. If you spot any defects, use them as leverage to negotiate a lower price. Even if the car seems in good shape, it's always worth asking for a discount. You never know what you can get. 6. When should you buy a new car instead? If you're not keen on the potential repairs and costs that come with buying a used car, consider buying a new vehicle. Of course, this will be more expensive expensive, but you'll get the peace of mind that comes with a warranty and the reliability of a new car. A new Honda Fit or Toyota Yaris might be a better option than a high-mileage Honda Accord, offering you fewer worries and a more reliable experience. As you can see, buying your first used car isn't as simple as it seems. It's a big decision, and you need to be careful, check everything thoroughly, and make sure you're getting a reliable vehicle. Don't rush into it, take your time to inspect every detail, ask questions, and make sure your first car will be the reliable companion you've always dreamed of, not a disappointment. Now you know how to make the right choice. Don't rush, carefully check all the details, and remember that buying your first car is a big step toward your new adventures on the road. That's it. Share your thoughts in the comments below, tell us about your first car experience, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.